Hello mates, how's it going? Welcome back to our channel Theory Indo. Let's learn Indonesian with native speakers. I'm too excited because I could upload the video. So in this video I'm about to explain how to say loh, loh, L-O-H or L-H-O. That's the same meaning, so don't be confused. Let's get started. Why do I would explain this? Because I think it's really important. As a native speaker, always use this to speak with my friend or speak to my friend. And it's really important. Trust me. So there are 4 ways to use this. Alright, let's have a look to number 1. The first way is when you are confused about something or someone, because someone, when you're confused about someone's opinion or someone's behavior or anything about something happens. So commonly I use this in front of my sentence. So you could use this in front of your sentence. For example, loh, kenapa kamu tolak hadiahnya? Hadiah means present. Loh, loh. Before I say the statement, I would say the loh. Loh, kenapa kamu tolak hadiahnya? But actually you could change the mengapa with kok, because kok means why, same as the mengapa. So you could say, loh, kok kamu tolak hadiahnya? Loh, kok kamu tolak hadiahnya? You are confused. Why him or her, we don't know. Why they refused the present. The next, number 2, is to emphasize that you can also do the same as someone does. As an example, saya bisa main gitar juga loh. Saya bisa main gitar juga loh. It means that you can also play the guitar. You emphasize that you can also play guitar. So the previous sentence you say, saya bisa berbahasa Indonesia dan saya bisa main gitar juga loh. So the loh is for and emphasize the word can also. Alright, so in this case you could put the loh in the end of your sentence. For emphasize that word, you could put the loh in the end of your sentence. And the next, number 3, is to emphasize that you are making someone's and it's a bit annoyed. You are annoyed, but you are making someone. Let's have a look at this example. Dia nggak tahu loh, nggak usah tanya-tanya. Dia nggak tahu loh, nggak usah tanya-tanya. So dia here we say for go. Yes, for go. Dia nggak tahu loh, nggak usah tanya-tanya. You are emphasized that and you are making so and you are annoyed. Why the person asks your friend? Because you're confused and you make the person who asks your friend that your friend doesn't know anything. Commonly I say loh to emphasize this when I'm not in the end of my sentence. right? I hope you guys understand. And it's the last ways to say love, which is number 4. So number 4 is to make someone that you are literally need and literally want that thing. So it's a bit same as the previous ways to say love, which means that you are a bit annoyed, so you are indecisive, right? Let's have a look at this example. So I have a food and I'm really hungry and I'm about to eat that. My friend is naughty, he take this food from me and I would say, minta loh, gua lapar banget. Minta loh, gua lapar banget. Minta means ask. Minta loh, loh. So the loh is for emphasize that you are bloody want that thing. So I hope you guys understand to the four ways to say love, and I hope you use this in your daily conversation with your friend in Indonesia or with your friend from Indonesia. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, if you love this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment below should I explain in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel favorite Indo. And also I've got an Instagram and I've got a group on WhatsApp, also Twitter, anything, but you will find it in my Instagram. I give the links on my bio in my Instagram. So see ya in the next video. See ya. Sampai jumpa.